Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Guys, I'm back today after a long break because I've been super busy with work and I was not getting time to make videos and I'm very sorry for that guys. But as you know, doll collecting is more about enjoying the hobby rather than taking stress and creating videos when you don't have time. I mean, the dolls were coming and I was having quality time with my dolls a very short time. And after a long time, today I'm back with new dolls, exciting dolls, and I can't wait to share them with you. So, without wasting much time, let's start it. Love you all! Yay! And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please like, share and subscribe it for more doll updates. And if you're a doll lover, as I am. So guys, before we start with our dollies, I have a Miniso haul for you and it is doll related. So I went shopping today and there was a Miniso store. I went there and guess what? I saw Barbie products and I got them and I'm super excited to share them with you. The very first one here is this. The Barbie zipper. It's so iconic guys. I loved it a lot. It has this Barbie picture and this, Barbie, the glasses, the straw style. It gives iconic, 1959 Barbie look and I really love it. So, if you want some Barbie products, you can check out in Miniso. Now, moving on to the next product is this cute bag guys. You see here is Barbie mentioned. So I think I can give it to my big dolly or I can also use it. It's so cute. I really like it. And then we have this Barbie bag. It's so cute. I really love such products guys. I can use it for my dolly, a big bag, for my 32-inch dolls or bigger dolls, or I can use it for myself also. It looks cute sometimes. Then again, we have this Barbie pouch, kind of a makeup pouch, and I can keep a lot of stuff in there. So I really like it. And again, the same one in black and white. I like really the 1959 authentic Barbie white guys. So I couldn't wait to get one more of this. I mean the quality is really cool. And I have a surprise for you inside. There is one more thing that I would like to show you. It is this Barbie coffee mug guys that I got. Let me just open it up and show you. Just a minute. Okay. It just bubble wrapped it. Okay, here we are. Just see how cute it is. This Barbie coffee mug guys. I really love it. Now with my dolly, okay, with my dollies I can have special time enjoying in a zipper, in a coffee mug, and I really love it. Let me know what you think about these products. So now we're done with that, we can move on to our doll. Okay guys, so starting with the dolls. First off, we have this Dolls of the World Modern Russia doll guys. Just look at her. I really love her. How awesome is the dress, how she represents the Russia, culture and all. So I really love this doll. Now these are how her, boots look like. They're kind of plasticky guys. I'm wrong, not plasticky, they're kind of rubbery, like, it's rubber material. The skirt area, I don't like that much the fabric, it's quite thin if you see. And here is this print. I don't like it that much. The top is very good, like, satin kind of material. It gives silky feel. And the sleeves are also really nice. And the accessories are so cool, guys. I just love her features, how she looks, the hair. So this is basically in mint condition, that I got. And So as you see, this is basically a new doll, guys, and the back, it is not even opened up. Okay, but because of the import issues, I have to get her like this, and there is a seller from whom I get such collector dolls, and she's really a great find. Okay, now moving on to our another dolly. This is again the Dolls of the World Mexico City doll, guys. This is another pink label doll that I got. Now this is a doll from another seller who is also a collector. So this doll was part of their collection and I got from them. And really, I'm really happy to find this doll in box in such a great price. This is how the back of the box looks like. It says Princess of Ancient Mexico Barbie, and its all story is written there. It looks so good, guys. The artwork, I really like it. Now the doll can also be displayed like this. I removed the outer box to show you how pretty she is. The face, the crown, the neck piece. See how awesome it is. And it does comes with the doll stand, the certificate of authenticity, guys. So it's really a great deal. Now, next up we have this beautiful 1999 Millennial Barbie, guys, from the year 1999, and look at her. Oh my god, the gown, it just takes my breath away. And it has a can-cane layer also inside. This is a net fabric. There is a can-cane. It's really worth it, guys. The velvet material is super soft. I really like her, and this is Teresa face mold, guys. I already had a blondie one, and Teresa also I had one doll, guys, but that was like, you know, used doll and thrifted one. But I'm really happy to get this doll, and this is also in mint condition but totally new, guys. Basically, look at her, how beautiful she is. Okay, here is the bag. I really love her and I can't wait to put her up with her another sister, the blondie doll. They will look awesome together, I believe it. Now, what is next? Here we have our Princess of China doll, guys. So this is basically a really nice haul. I have the dolls of the world, Russia, Mexico. Now here we have the Chinese princess doll. Look at her face. She is so beautiful. I just love this dress. And I got the Mexico doll and the Chinese doll from the same seller, guys, the collector friend of mine, and I really love this doll. If you see, the box condition is not that good for this one, but still I'll keep her in box only. But it's still totally worth it. You know, I did check out the doll, how it is. It is totally new. Quality is awesome, guys. Just have a close up. So here is a close up. Just see her headpiece. I totally love it. This is the back. OMG, so cute. Now moving on to our final doll, guys. Few of the collector dolls. Now here is the beautiful peacock doll, guys. So this doll is basically from the Birds of Beauty collection, guys. Just look at her. The feathers, they are so awesome. The jewelry, the dress quality. OMG. It's just like, I'm speechless, guys. Just see the dress. So soft and so nice material. See, such a nice quality of material, double layer it is. I can't say. Like here, this is this bow, the back side. Let me show you. So she is like out of box, but as you can see, she is a mint doll, guys, not used. But because of the import condition, I have to get her like this. But still not an issue for me, because anyways, you know, I'm going to keep her with care inside glass door windows and keep like caring for her on regular basis. And for now, I don't have any plan of selling them, reselling them, so I'm not concerned about the, you know, price out of box dolls, like how it may impact. Like few collectors are really worried about it, that, you know, the value gets decrease if you keep them out of box. But really, not an issue for me as of now. I do love to keep the I do love inbox dolls, but if it is a good doll, it is a good deal, and I'm getting it out of box, still I feel I can give them my love, so I'm happy to have them. What do you think about this doll? Do you have her in your collection? Do share your comments. And do you prefer her in box or out of box? Do let me know. Now, are you ready for my prize position, guys? Here is the gold label doll, guys. Yes, I am not dreaming. This is true. This is the gold label doll, Cynthia Rowley, guys. And I'm so happy I got her in such a good deal from a collector friend of mine who was selling her, and I quickly grabbed her. Let me show you how awesome she is. And here she is, guys. Just look at her. Isn't she a beauty? Just look at her. She is so pretty. I just love her. Her face, her hair, her dress. She totally is something, guys. And I got her for such a good deal, and she's totally new in box, guys. Here is her certificate of authenticity. This is her certificate and the picture. I really love her. I'm so happy to add her to my collection. One of another addition to my gold label collection, guys. What do you think about her? And would you have also got her if you were getting her for an amazing deal? Let me know. Share your comments. Okay, the show is not yet over. Here is another dolly, which is the Fairytopia Magical Mermaid doll, guys. New in box, and I really love mermaid doll, guys, especially the Fairytopia series. I just love them, and I got her from the same person from whom I got the Cynthia Rowley. Isn't she pretty and such an amazing find, guys? Like, sitting in India, living in India, if you can find a doll within 2 hours, and that also a collector doll at a great deal, then what would you do? You would just grab it, I know, right? That's what I did, and I really love her. Just look at the back of the box. I love these mermaid girls. Now here are the final dolls, guys. So we have these ornaments, the holiday Barbie ornaments, and then I have this 2017 Barbie, holiday Barbie, guys, and I already have her in my collection, but this one I got a spare doll, guys, because I really am going to try some designer dresses, couture dresses on her, which I got from an Indian designer, guys. They're really some great work, guys, amazing work, and I'm really excited to try them on. I've also got some Barbie look dolls, guys, the looks one, and I'm super excited to try on the designer dresses on them, and I'll be sharing them with you soon, so stay tuned for them. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, do like, share and subscribe so that you do not miss them. And with that, I'll be ending today's haul, guys, today's video, guys, and I love you a lot, and take care. Do whatever you want to do in your life. Enjoy your hobby, and most important, do not stress on the video, guys, and just enjoy it, the hobby. Give it the time that you have, the love that you have. Share that with your dolls, and don't do anything as a stress. Like I said, it is more about enjoying the hobby, than to be online and to share your dolls or show off your dolls. Just means collector thought. Okay, so love you all, take care.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I ride through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need.